Some places feel like they belong to another world. Matera is one of them. Carved in stone, shaped by centuries, it speaks in whispers, and yet it leaves a lasting impression. Matera is one of the oldest, continuously inhabited cities in the world. People have lived here for over 9,000 years. The Sassi, cave dwellings carved directly into limestone, are living proof of this long human presence. These rock-hewn spaces were once homes, workshops, even chapels. A hidden city, embedded in the cliffs, alive with history.
Però non esisteva il soggiorno, la cucina, erano l'unica stanza.
Metti testa dentro e stai fresca. Ti stai sempre a lamentare, mamma mia. Mamma mia.
Perched atop the Civita Hill, Matera's cathedral watches over the city, modest on the outside, radiant within, built of silence and pale stone, lit by golden shadows and sacred whispers. Here, time slows down. You don't just enter the building, you enter yourself. In Matera, every alley holds a secret. Endless stairways, whispering arches. You never really know where you're going. And that's the magic of it. A half-open door, sunlight sliding across stone, a cat passing by like a silent guardian. Here you walk slowly, because every step feels like it has already been walked 1,000 times. Deep in the cliffs of Matera, a door opens, carved into the rock. No sign, no bell, just silence, and the promise of a journey through time. We step into a Sassi, a troglodyte home, hollowed directly from the soft limestone centuries ago. Not built, but sculpted. One single room, cool in summer, warm in winter, no heater, no luxury, just what was needed to live. We step into a Sassi, a troglodyte home, hollowed directly from the soft limestone centuries ago. Not built, but sculpted. One single room, cool in summer, warm in winter, no heater, no luxury, just what was needed to live. Life was hard here, and yet you can still feel its heartbeat in the stone. A life without comfort, but full of ingenuity. Every corner had a purpose. Nothing was wasted. Today, this Sassi is a living museum, a silent witness to a world not so far behind us. Less than a century ago, thousands of people still lived this way. You don't leave a Sassi quite the same. You step outside more humble, more aware, as if the stones themselves whispered a forgotten truth. From above, Matera unveils its hidden masterpiece, a stone labyrinth carved into the cliffside, stacked houses, suspended alleys, as if time had paused inside the rock. Rooftops become terraces, and every shadow tells a story. Thank you for walking through Matera with me. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon for another timeless escape.